Sekali beli lilin bisa bertahan seumur hidup. Bahan-bahan yang dibutuhkan: batu padas segumpal, gelas kaca, seperti ini contohnya, pewarna makanan, warna apa saja, air tawar secukupnya, bersihkan gelas kaca dan keringkan. Batu padas ini kita pecah-pecahkan.
I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring. Yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart? Are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs.
Hingga menjadi puing-puing seperti ini.
I swear to God, they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it.
Warna makanan kita gabungkan ke air tawar.
Till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down.
Dan kita aduk-aduk biar nyatu. Kita potong lilinnya seukuran dengan gelas kaca yang kita gunakan. Mohon di like ya teman-teman, please. Mohon di like, please. Usahakan dasarnya ini rata. Kemudian bakar dan tempelkan di gelas.
Cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, nah, unlikely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy.
Yeah.
Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignore.
Masukkan puing-puing batu ke pinggiran mengelilingi lilin.
And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains, I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things, gonna make a fucking name. I just wanna be famous, but I don't want that cheap fame. No, I'm not that vain, I just wanna be greatness. 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 Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me.
Air tawar tadi kita masukkan ke dalam gelas menggunakan centong.
I'm going off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Investing in my own stock, cause it's faster than any crypto hits go, let me spend. Everything that you see is something I invent. and it's only a percent. I'm gonna take shots, if I miss all, forget it. I'll take a fat loss just to learn all that's in it. I'm taking snapshots, learning how to fall and get it. I'm getting back up, always stand tall, don't sweat it. I never back up, I don't miss a thing, I'll regret it. I'm always learning.
Sampai sebatas batu, jangan sampai sumbunya basah.
Apathetic, that energy is like a poison, needs some.
Jadinya seperti ini. Oh ya, bahan tambahannya minyak goreng. Ini minyak goreng ya teman-teman. Waduh, nggak kelihatan, soalnya bening. Kita tuangkan minyak goreng ini ke dalam gelas. Sisakan sedikit ujung lilinnya. Kemudian nyalakan.
Get up, nah I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast. And that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
Kira-kira seperti ini bentuknya. Jadi air tawar dan pewarna tadi akan berada di bawah. Fungsinya sebagai pendingin gelas. Batu tadi fungsinya penahan lilin. Sedangkan minyak gorengnya jadi bahan bakar. Semoga bermanfaat. Terima kasih.
Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast. And that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly